Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your iPhone has started feeling slow after the latest iOS 26 update, don't worry, I have got you covered. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some simple super tricks that will help speed up your iPhone. Alright, let's jump right in. Method 1. Restart your iPhone. First up, just give your iPhone a quick restart. I know it sounds basic, but after a big update, your phone sometimes just needs a fresh start. Hold down the power button and volume up button at the same time and turn it off. Wait a few seconds and then turn it back on. This clears out temporary files and refreshes the system. Method 2. Reduce motion and animations. Next, let's reduce all those extra animations. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Motion, and then turn on Reduce Motion. It may not seem like a big deal, but trust me, your iPhone will feel snappier right away. Method 3. Update all your apps. Another important step, update your apps. Sometimes old apps don't play nice with the new iOS and that can slow things down. So head over to the App Store, tap your profile picture on the top right, swipe down and hit update all. This makes a huge difference. Method 4. Clear Safari cache. Now let's clear out Safari's cache. Open Settings, swipe all the way down and tap on Apps. Now find and tap on Safari. And then tap Clear History and Website Data. Choose All History and confirm. This frees up space and makes your browsing way faster. Method 5. Check your storage space. Finally, check your storage. If your iPhone is packed with apps, photos and videos, it's going to slow down. So go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Here you'll see what's eating up space. Delete any apps or files you don't really need. And that's it. Try these quick fixes and your iPhone should start running smoother after the iOS 26 update. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like, share it with your friends, and of course hit that subscribe button for more iPhone tips and tricks.